Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Kraken's payment methods in 2025. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time, so let's just jump straight into the video. Now the first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Kraken account. So log into your Kraken account using your email address and your password on Kraken's website. And once you're logged in, just navigate to the payment methods page by clicking on the payment methods tab. So once you click on the tab, it's going to open up the page, and there you can select the payment method that you want to use, such as credit cards, or you could also use bank transfer. And then just enter the payment details, such as your credit card number, or if you're using the bank transfer, it could be your bank account number. And just confirm the payment method by clicking on add payment method button, and that's going to confirm the payment method. And from there on, you could use the payment method to deposit or withdraw funds from your Kraken accounts. That's pretty much it on how to use Kraken's payment methods in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.